In this video, I'll show you how to create workflow rules in Salesforce and explain what to expect as automation continues evolving. Start by clicking the gear icon and opening Setup, then use the Quick Find box to search for workflow rules. You'll see a list of existing rules, which is helpful for understanding naming conventions and avoiding duplicates. Click New Rule, choose the object the automation should run on, and define clear evaluation criteria that determine when the rule triggers. Traditionally, workflow rules could handle actions like email alerts, field updates, or task creation. However, many orgs are now guided toward Flow Builder, which offers more flexibility and is the recommended path for new automation. If you're redirected there, the logic remains similar. Define conditions and specify actions carefully. Always test in a sandbox if possible, and document your intent to keep automation manageable. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce admin tutorials.